State. A state is a type of a polity that is an organized political community living under a single system of a government. State is a type of a polity that is an organized political community living under a single system of a government. The economical, political, geographical, social, technological, scientific development, all these conditions are important because these all affect the national power, and the national power influence the international power. These all affects the international relations. So state is an important factor. All the elements of the international politics can be divided into two parts: state actor and non-state actor. So first we will see the MNC. MNC, multinational corporation. Multinational corporation is usually a large corporation incorporated in one country which produce or sell goods or service in various countries. Example: Apple, Ford, Coca-Cola, Microsoft, Sony. So their main office is in one place and their trade is carried in many countries. MNC are those whose business is spread throughout the world. MNC plays very important role in maintaining relations between states. They affect the foreign policy and these affects on international relations. Next topic is diplomacy. Diplomacy means to represent the state in foreign countries as an agent. The person is appointed by the government to handle all foreign policies of a state in other countries. The person is diplomat, and what strategies, techniques he adopts for state is called diplomacy of a state. The, the diplomats works according to the guidelines given by the state government. Therefore, their functions is called diplomacy. Diplomacy means his ideas, thoughts, views, his application for the state. Diplomats plays an important role to control enemy activities. The relations between the states depend on diplomat strategy. So this is the one of the important factor for international relations. Diplomacy. Then ideology. Ideology means thoughts, ideas of the philosopher. So the different ideologies creates wars, history. Ideology leads to revolution. There are different types of ideologies. In our last semester we have studied various different types of ideologies. Like the Gandhism ideology is important to maintain peace. Marxism ideology is important for revolution, and dominant ideologies leads to war. So different ideologies plays different roles. It can make good and bad relations of international relation. So ideology is one of the factor of international politics. So the factors which influence the international relations or the politics are MNC, multinational corporation, then diplomacy, and then the ideology.